guys, what I got behind me here is an Eastern Hemlock tree. The Eastern Hemlocks span from North Carolina and Tennessee up to Michigan and Maine. Cool thing about the Eastern Hemlock is you can take little twigs and the needles off of these and you can make a tea out of it. The tea is used for many things, from colds and coughs to being an astringent. It can treat scurvy, even diarrhea, fevers. Very medicinal with the tea. If you breathe in the fumes from the tea, that also helps with your colds and your coughs. There's an issue with the Eastern Hemlock right now, and a lot of them are in danger of dying out very quickly. And there is what's called the Wooly Adelgid. It is an aphid that attaches itself to the tree, and as I will show here, there are little cotton sacks that attach themselves to the underside of the ends of the branches here, and that's where they protect themselves. They feed on the sap from the tree, and unfortunately in a few years it usually kills them. There are a few ways that people combat this. You can have a company come out and spray the tree with a form of insecticide that will kill the aphids, but there's also a beetle that you can introduce to the area that its natural prey is this aphid. The Eastern Hemlock is identifiable by having these very small needles on the branches. The needles are on each side, the left and the right, and they have these very tiny pine cones that are on the tip. It also has the characteristic evergreen color. It never goes dead during the year unless that aphid gets a hold of it. So that's the wilderness perspective on the Eastern Hemlock. Come back and see us next time.